As an international entrepreneur looking to start a business in the United States, it is crucial to familiarize yourself with the legal requirements and procedures. And one essential aspect that does require your attention is the Employer Identification Number, or EIN. This document serves as a unique identifier for your business, and it plays a crucial role in opening as well as operating your business in the United States. But what is an EIN? So the EIN is a unique 9-digit number that is assigned to your business by the Internal Revenue Service, or IRS. It serves several purposes, including, firstly, identification. The EIN helps identify your business as a separate entity from its owners, which are also known as shareholders or partners. And it ensures that your business has a distinct legal identity for tax purposes. And speaking of tax purposes, that's the second use for your EIN, tax compliance. So the EIN enables your business to file tax returns, pay taxes, and yes, even receive tax refunds, just like any other US-based entity would. Having an EIN ensures that your business fully complies with all federal tax laws and regulations. And the third purpose of your EIN is business registrations. There are many government agencies, financial institutions, and suppliers that do require an EIN for registration and verification purposes. Now, without an EIN, it can be difficult to establish credibility for your business as well as secure necessary business licenses and permits. Now, let's go over the preparation steps that you need to take before starting an EIN application. So before you go ahead and begin your EIN application process, you need to first complete the following 2 steps. The first step, you need to identify your entity type. You need to determine the legal structure of your business. Is it a limited liability company or an LLC? Is it a corporation? Is it a partnership? Or is it a sole proprietorship? And you need to keep in mind that each of these entity types does require specific documentation and procedures. The second thing that you need to do is you need to secure a mailing address. You need to make sure that your business has a physical mailing address, because this is where all formal or legal correspondence, just like your EIN documentation, will be sent to. Now, once you have completed those 2 steps, you're ready to start applying for your EIN. So what we're going to do next is we are going to go over the steps that you need to take in obtaining an EIN as an entrepreneur residing outside the United States. So, when it comes to your EIN application, you need to know that obtaining an EIN number, it's really not a complicated thing. And in just 3 simple steps, you'll have your EIN number. Step 1, you need to have relevant information with you. Make sure that you have information such as the name of your business address, and your business contact details with you on hand. Once you've got that, you need to fill out Form SS4. This form can be found on the IRS official website, and we've gone ahead and included the form link in the description box below for you, so you don't have to go looking for it. Now, the third and final step is placing a call to the IRS. Just imagine, making a call to the IRS is the final step in acquiring your EIN number. But to avoid confusion and doubts, make sure that you answer the questions precisely as you have filled them out on the form. That is very important. And when it comes to making a call to the IRS, what time should you call them? So the IRS office operates from Monday to Friday, and the business hours are from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. Eastern Time. It is essential to note this because the IRS does not operate over weekends. And you can call the IRS at 267-941-1099 and ensure that you're pressing the appropriate number from the menu to receive a foreign EIN. Please be aware that this isn't a toll-free number, and your call could take quite a bit of time. So just be sure to set aside at least an hour of uninterrupted time within your day to wait on hold and speak to an IRS representative. At the end of the call, you'll be issued with an EIN, and you can start using that right away. But just be sure to write that number that they give you down and on a piece of paper, keep it somewhere safe. Put it in your phone, anywhere that's safe, and you can start using it straight away. Now, as for your physical copy, this will come in the mail to your US address a few weeks later. And if you don't have a US address, you can go ahead and ask a representative if they'll mail the EIN internationally or send it via email. Once again, obtaining an EIN is an important step for any international entrepreneur looking to establish and to grow a business in the United States. And it's more than simply just a number. It is the cornerstone of your business's financial identity. So you need to get an EIN now and navigate the legalities and complexities of operating a successful business within the United States. Good luck.